What's up, guys? It's Curtis Schweppe back in the shop. Today, we're working on lawnmowers. This is an Everride. Check it out. This is the Everride Warrior 60-inch zero-turn mower, and it has a 25 horsepower Kawasaki engine in it, air-cooled FH721V. These Kawasaki's are great engines. This is a great mower. It's a pretty heavy-duty build. Got a welded deck, dual tanks. This thing is sweet. Anyway, the guy got rid of it because he said he was having trouble starting. And right out the gate, I could tell it was starting really, really slow. It was cranking really slow. So I was like, all right, well, easy enough. Got another starter like this off Amazon. Put it in there, and it just turns key so easy right now. Check this out. Let's get on here. Give her a little choke. Easy. She runs great. Anyway, so the other thing he said was this thing would be really hard to start and it would backfire really loud. Well, if your motor is cranking really, really, really slow, you're still building a lot of fuel in your combustion chamber, but it's not spinning fast enough to ignite it. So every now and then when it does spin just maybe a little bit faster around then it'll backfire. So you got to have that thing spinning fast enough to start good all the time. So let's try it again. Choke that a little bit. No problem. So, if you're having a hard time starting your Kawasaki and it's backfiring when you're trying to start it, take a look at this and see how fast it's actually spinning when you're trying to start it. If it seems like it's slower than normal, just replace that starter and you'll be good to go.